Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So in the last class, we discussed about finding the nth term of an AP. We discussed about finding the nth term. What about the nth term? What is the formula to find the nth term? Give the formula to find the nth term. Surya, nth term of the AP is given by? Yes, Surya. Yes, Surya. Can you give the nth term of the AP? Pia, give the nth term of the AP.
Yes, ma'am. An is equal to a plus n minus 1d.
An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So the nth term is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in general, what is the fifth term? Suppose I want to write the fifth term. Then fifth term will be given by
A5 is equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D.
5 minus 1, which is 4d, isn't it? What will be the 10th term?
Plus
A plus
9D.
9d. It is a plus 9d. Okay. 9th term will be given by a 10th term will be given by a plus 9d. Okay. Now let's do some problems based on this. Write the question, children. Find the 31st term of the AP. Find the 31st term. Find the 31st term of the AP. Find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38. Whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. And 16th term is 73. And the 16th term is 73. Find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. And the 16th term is 73. How to do this?
First,
So here, what is given? What is given? What is given? What to find? First, that part you have to write. What is given in here? Look at there. What is given? Find the 31st term. We want to find A31. A31 is question mark. We want to find A31. Whose 11th term is 38. A11 is 38. And the 16th term, A16 is 73. A11 is 38 and A16 is 73. A16 is 73. Now how to solve this? A11 is 38. That means what we can write? A11. A11 means Pia. A11. How will you write A11?
Yes, ma'am. A plus 10 d.
A plus 10 into D is 38. I name this as equation 1. Rosebi, what about A16? A16.
A plus 15B.
A plus 15D is equal to 73. This is our second equation. This is our second equation. Now we have to solve these two equations. Look at here. We are having two linear equations, isn't it? Power of the variable is 1. We have learned solving linear equations. Elimination method we can use. Okay, suppose I subtract this 1 minus 2. When you subtract this, what you will get? Subtract means we'll be changing the sign. So plus a minus a will get cancelled. So we'll get 0. 10D minus 15D. 10 into D minus 15 into D. Prajod, what you will get? 10 into D minus 15 into D. We will get,
Ma'am.
when you subtract this, what you will get? Minus 5 into D is equal to 38 minus 73. Aditya, it is 38 minus 73.
Nima,
38 minus 73.
I am doing.
You,
Negative 15.
negative 15 minus 73 and 38. Is it 15?
Get the 13.5.
So when you subtract this is 5. So it is 35. Negative 35. Yes, D is 7. Both the sides we can cancel negative. So 35 by 5, D is 7. If once D is 7, substitute this in any one of this equation, either in the first equation or in the second equation. Substitute this in either in the first equation or second equation. Suppose I am substituting this in first equation. First equation we have a plus 10 into d is 38. Substitute for d. D is 7. When you substitute it, what you will get? A plus 10 into 7 is 38. So a plus 70 is equal to 38. So what is A? 38 minus 70. So A is negative 32. Yes. A is negative 32. Once we get A and D, what is our aim? Our aim is to find A31.
31st number.
You want to find A31, 31st term. A31 is A plus 30D. Okay, is it okay? Children, up to this, is it okay? Are you able to follow this? Anjita? Okay, children. Look at here, children. A11 is given as 38. A11 means A plus 10 into D is 38. A16 is 73. A16 means A plus 15D is 73. We are using elimination method. We subtract. Okay, we are changing the sign. A will get cancelled. 10 into D minus 15D, we will get minus 5D is equal to 38 minus 73, which is negative 35. So D is 7. Once we get D, we can substitute this in any of the equation, either the first one or second one. So when we we substituted in the first equation. Once we substitute it, we are getting A as negative 32. If A is negative 32, find out what is A31. It is A plus 30 into D. What is the value of A here? Minus 32 plus 30 into D, it is 7. So which is minus 32 plus 210.
Ma'am,
Yes.
negative 242.
How will you get negative 242? Ashik, you look at here, one term is positive, other term is negative. Then what do you have to do?
I'm 178.
172. Pratyush, check the answer, Pratyush. Arjun is giving the answer as 198. 178.
Ma'am, 178.
210 from here, subtract 32. So it is 178. Yes, Nirubama, correct. Adidev, correct. Okay, Pratyush, check the answer. Okay, I think that borrow is not done. That's what.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, Rifa, 178. So therefore, A31 is 178. So we got the answer. Afsana, is it okay, Afsana? What happened, Afsana? Hey, Steve. Hey, Steve, Meghna,
Yes,
Fia,
ma'am.
Haya. Yes, please turn on your video, children. Hey, Steve.
It is automatically turning off.
Why?
It has issue, ma'am.
Okay. Is it okay, children? Any doubt in this question, John?
Ma'am, after substituting, can you explain one more time?
Which part? Which part? After
Ma'am,
substitution.
yes, ma'am, after substituting in equation 1.
In equation 1, we are substituting the value of d. What's the value of d here? 7. 10 into 7, it will become 70. Our aim is to find a. So positive 70, if you take to other side, it will become negative 70. From there, we are getting a is negative 32. If a is negative 32, our aim is to find the 31st term. What is A31? A plus 30 into d. We have the value of a. We know the value of d. Substitute it. Minus 32 plus 30 into 7. 30 into 7 is 210. So we get 178. So we get A31 is equal to 178. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, children?
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Write the next one. Write the next one. The next one is a board exam question. Write the question. The 17th term of an AP. The 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term. The 17th term of an AP exceeds. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term. 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. By 7. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. The 17th term of an AP exceeds. The 17th term of the AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. Yes, Savio, Surya, Vishnu, Vivi, Hadi Amin, Sainaba, Afsana, turn on your video. Aditi, Nas, Parvin, Aditya. John. Surya. Savio. Yes, Prajot is giving the answer. Okay, let's check the answer. Write the question. Here, what is given? the 17th term of an AP. What is given here? 17th term. 17th term means we denote this as A17. A17 is exceeding. Exceeding means it is more. More than which one? 10th term by 7. So what is the equation? What is the equation you will get? A17 is. Yes. Aditya, can you try the equation? Aditya S. Krishna. A17 is exceeds its 10th term by 7. So A17 exceeds the 10th term by 7. So how will you write? A17 is
Ma'am,
A17 is yes, Nirupama, can you try? Nirupama, A17 is
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give the equation? Can you give the relation? A17 exceeds the 10th term by 7. That means A17 is exceed means what do you have to do? Is it plus or minus?
Plus
Addition.
Addition. So it is A10 plus 7. A17 is A10 plus 7. What is A17? A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. Both the sides we can cancel A. Now bring the terms to one side. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. So what will be D? What is the value of D? Yes, Meghna. What is the value? 7D is 7. Prajot, check your answer, Prajot. D is 1.
ma'am,
Is it-
can you explain one more time?
It is given
Ma'am.
A7. Yes.
Can
A17 is A10
One
plus
more time.
7.
from the beginning.
A17 is A10 plus 7. 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7. So we are writing A17 as A10 plus 7. What is A17? A plus 16D equal to A10 means we can write this as A plus 9D plus 7. Both the sides can we cancel A?
Yes,
If we
ma'am.
take plus A to other side, it will become minus A. So it will get cancelled. Yes?
I told yes, ma'am.
Huh?
I told yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. So we get 7D is equal to 7. From here, we are getting the value of D as 1. D is 1. Okay. The value of D is 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in APs, most of the questions within 2 or 3 steps you will get. Okay. All the questions are not a very lengthy one. All the questions will be simple one only. Okay. In few questions, we will be using linear equations. Write the next one. Write the next one. Which term of the AP, which term of the AP, which term of the AP 21, 18, 15, etc. is negative 81? Which term of the AP is negative 81? Which term means what we have to find here? Which term means what we have to find?
The next term,
Which term? Which one? Suppose I write a number like this, 2, 4, 9, and so on. Which term is 9 here?
Third term.
Third term. That means we are finding the position, isn't it? This is the
Yes.
third
Yes,
term.
ma'am.
That means, okay, that means here, what you have to find? Which term means what you have to find?
which
We have to-
position the term?
Position means we want to find n. We want to find n, first term, second term. Okay, that one only gives the position. So which term means we want to find n? N is equal to question mark. What is the value of A? From the sequence, can you write the first term? A
21.
is 21. And what is the common difference? Arjun, give the common difference, Arjun.
3
Check it. Is it an increasing sequence or decreasing sequence?
minus 3.
-3. It is decreasing, isn't it? We want to find second term minus first term. So it is -3. Common difference is -3. And we want to find is 81 the term of the sequence. We can take an is -81. We can take the nth term as -81. Nth term is -81. What is nth term? Formula A plus n minus 1 into d is -81. A plus n minus 1 into d is -81. Substitute the value of A. A is 21 plus n minus 1 into d is -3 is -81. Is it okay? Nirubama, are you getting this one? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Which term means here we want to find n? Which term means n? We are taking nth term as -81. Nth term is given by the formula A plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute for A and substitute for d. A is 21. 21 plus n minus 1 into value of d is -3 is -81. Now you can open the brackets. 21 minus 3n minus into minus, it will become +3 is -81. When you open the brackets, -3 into n, it is -3n. -3 into -1, which is +3, is -81. Now, +21, we take it to other side. So we will get -3n plus 3 is -81 minus 21. So we get -3n plus 3 is equal to -102. Both are negative. So we can add and we can write. So -3n is -102 minus 3 plus 3. If you transpose it, it will become -3. So we get -3n is -105. Both the sides we have negative, we can cancel. So we get 3n is equal to 105. So what is n? 105 by 3. So what is the value of 105 by 3?
35.
Yes,
35.
Meghna. Yes, correct, Meghna. It is 35. N is 35. So the 35th term is -21, -81. It is the 35th term.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
write the next one. Write the next question. Next one is also again an important question. Check whether negative 150, check whether negative 150 is a term of the AP. Check whether negative 150 is a term of the AP, is whether a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. Check whether negative 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. We have to check whether minus 150 is a term. That means what do you have to find here? Is it a term or which term? In all these cases, we have to find,
A is equal to negative 150.
is it A or AN?
And
AN is negative 150. We want to find N. N is, listen children, 1 second, all of you listen. N should be a positive integer. N means the position, first position, second term, third term. Okay, N must be a positive integer. Once we have while we are finding N, suppose we are getting N as fraction. Suppose N value is fraction or N is negative, what we can say, that number, given number is not a term of the sequence. Is it clear? While finding N, N is the position, isn't it? So the position will not be negative or it will not be coming in fraction. So while calculating N, if the value of N is negative or if it is a fraction, then we can say it is not a term of the sequence. It is not a term. Okay. Here the question is check whether minus 150 is a term of the sequence. So AN is minus 150. We want to find N. What is A? A is again 11. The sequence is a decreasing sequence. 8 minus 11, which is minus 3. Now apply the formula. AN is minus 150. AN means A plus N minus 1 into D is negative 150. Substitute the value of A there. What is the value of A? It is 11 plus N minus 1 into D. What is D? Minus 3 is minus 150. So that is 11. When you open the bracket, minus 3 into N, we will get minus 3N plus 3, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 is negative 150. Now, what is the next step? 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3, we will get 14. Minus 3N is equal to minus 150. So we'll get minus 3N is equal to minus 150 minus 14. So we get minus 3N is minus 164. Both the sides we can cancel negative. So N is 164 by 3. When you divide it by 3, you are not getting a positive integer, isn't it? It's not an positive integer. It is not divisible. You'll be getting fraction. You'll be getting a fraction. So it is not a positive integer. Therefore, we can say negative 150 is not a term of the sequence. It is not a term of the sequence. Okay. While finding N, if N is not a full number, then we can say it is not a term of the sequence.
Ma'am, will you explain one more time?
Okay, so listen, what is the question asked here? We want to find whether negative 150 is a term or not. Okay, in order to check whether negative 150 is a term or not, we want to find n. If n is a positive integer, we can say it is a term. Okay, if n is not a positive integer, then we can say it is not a term. So our aim is to find n. We start with an. What is an? A plus n minus 1 into d is negative 150. A value is given, first term. A is the first term, 11. Common difference is minus 3 is negative 150. Once again, open the bracket. We are multiplying 11 minus 3 into n minus 3n minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 equal to negative 150. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 minus 3n is negative 150. So negative 3n is equal to negative 150 minus 14. Plus 14, if you transpose it, it is minus 14. So we get negative 3n is negative 164. Both the sides we can cancel negative. So we get n is equal to 164 by 3. When you check this, it is not possible to divide. Therefore, it is not a positive integer. N is not a positive integer means we can say yet it is not a term of the sequence. Bhadra is present. Bhadra. Bhadra. Emil.
Ma'am,
Present. Okay.
ma'am, Bhadra is present.
Okay. Emil, answer your attendance, children. Emil. Emil absent. Fia. Next class, tomorrow's class. Again, we'll be doing problems based on this. Okay. This I end the session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.